You know what's bad? Doing 15 push-ups and realizing that 15 of them are wrong. Getting the form right is an important thing. It is not just a gym thing, but it is the difference between getting stronger and getting injured. So I wrote a script which watches my push-ups frame by frame and tells me if I should be flexing or not. In the script, I've used the framework, Mediapipe, and a clever little model which is random forest. So this Mediapipe is a Google's magic trick. It can track your body landmarks using just your webcam. It sees the joints through math and pixels. This is raw push-up video. And this is the skeletonized video after using Mediapipe. For feature extraction, I've chosen elbow angle and back angle. I chose only two features because these are the real MVPs of push-up. Elbow angle tells us if you're going deep enough, and the back angle tells us if you're keeping it straight or arching your back too much. The elbow angle should be between 70 to 100 degrees, whereas the back angle should be around 165 to 180 degrees. And if you're within this range, then you have a good push-up form, or else you've got to take notes. And if these two are off, then your push-ups already a toast. Now let's talk about the star of the show, which is Random Forest. It sounds like a band name, but it is just a machine learning model, and a brilliant one. Random Forest is an ensemble method which is built on many decision trees. These decision trees work on one or two things and give judgments, and the random forest brings all of them together in a room and makes them vote, and the majority wins. It's like taking 100 tiny coach trees in a single room and judging the push-up form, where one might say that the form is wrong and 80 of them would say that, oh no, it's a good form. So here the majority wins. This is just like democracy, which actually works. Random forest was built on a technique called as bagging, which stands for bootstrap aggregation, which makes the model stable. By now you must be understanding why random forest is called so, because it builds a forest of decision trees which are built on random subsets of data and features to make predictions. I chose this model because it works well with messy and small data. So I didn't have to use 10,000 push-up videos to make it work, and it is very easy to interpret. It can also be used for fraud detection, stock prediction, Netflix recommendation, and also in healthcare. Now let's go to the prediction part. So you remember the 100 tiny coach trees I was talking about? This is where they huddle up and judge every single frame. Each frame gets two angles, which is elbow and back angle, and then random forest makes the call. If the majority of trees are saying that it's clean, then it's a good form, or else it is a bad form. Or poor push-up posture flagged by the model. And this is the correct form confirmed by visual angles. Right now it is blind to top angles. It doesn't know how wide your hands are placed and if your shoulders are stacked properly or not, but it can be used for lightweight feedback, like to know if you're going low enough and if your back is straight or not. It can also be used by people who cannot afford personal trainings. It can also be used by personal trainers to get asynchronous form review from their clients, and for online challenges like 30-day push-up challenge. So yeah, that's how I got a bunch of decision trees to roast my form. If you like this video, awesome. If not, maybe your push-ups are too painful to watch. Sadly, I did not build an app where you can test your own push-up form, but I can make a video on how to do a proper push-up. Thanks for watching.